Question 3. How much saliva does your body produce during the school year? Enough to fill a soda can. B. A small backpack. C. A swimming pool. D. A pencil case. Answer C. A swimming pool.
What? No way.
You make around 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime? That's a full-size pool of spit. Hope your lunch breaks still sound appetizing. School might be full of pop quizzes and weird schedules, but learning can actually be fun, especially when it's about your own body. Tag a friend who crushed this quiz or needs help in bio.